Quick question. Has your Amazon sales flatlined? Are you trying everything you can to revive it and you just can't get the sales back? This is a challenge that I put to our CTO and seven-figure Amazon seller, Stefan Rachev, where we took a real live listing and just through keyword research, listing optimization, and PPC, we took on the challenge of reviving the sales.
The main changes that I want to show you, John, are we've actually added the ability for you to compare yourself against, I think it's up to 7 or 8 of your top competitors at the same time, which is kind of a very interesting way to think about listing optimization rather than having to kind of open up different tabs or be on their listing here on Amazon. You've got all of that information right in Listing Optimizer, along with the score, right? Your optimization score and how that compares against your top competitors.
We will reveal everything in this 4-part case study where myself and Stefan go head to head, look through the listing and look at keyword research, data, how to beat your competitors, how to set up your PPC campaigns, and how to run your PPC advertising strategies and daily tactics to really revive a listing.
Patience is one of the key things with this strategy. It takes a little bit longer. You're going to spend a little bit more on PPC, but at the same time, you've got to remember you're not actually spending money on like giveaways and rebates and any of that stuff. You're giving money to PPC, which is helping Amazon understand and just boost your rank organically. Whereas with giveaways, once that giveaway ends, you kind of slide right back down from the first page.
It's really awesome. It's got a crazy twist at the end. I learned a lot on the series. You have to check it out. Click on the link. It's a 4-part series. It's free and it will help you to return your sales from a flatlined business. Check it out.